Hello again, everyone. It's Michael's second video of the day. The Bitcoin halving has got me all jacked up to bring you guys new content. So this is going to be a re-download or a new video discussing how to safely store Monero on your Trezor Model T. I feel like I've been getting a bunch of questions on that video specifically, kind of going through the process. People might be having some issues syncing up their wallet or making sure their funds are showing. So I want to go through that whole entire process again with you guys to make sure that I cover all the bases. That way you store your Monero safely and you can send and receive without any issues. So this is the getmonero.org GUI wallet that you're going to be using to link to your Trezor Model T. As you can see here, my Trezor Model T is currently plugged into my computer, ready to go. So at this moment in time, what we're going to do to link the two is we're going to download the GUI wallet. I'm going to select Windows since I'm on Windows. I'm going to click this. I'm going to allow the web wallet to download. Okay guys, so once you've finished downloading and using the installer to download the GUI wallet, just minimize this window. I have Exodus open here with 1.06 XMR to send to my new wallet once it's finished, just for demo purposes. We'll minimize that for now. Just select the GUI wallet here on the top of your screen and open that up. And once this starts running here, you're going to be welcomed to the welcome screen. So at the moment, my Trezor device is plugged in and it's unlocked. So now we're going to hit continue. We're going to select simple mode. You're going to say, I understand the privacy implications. You're going to say, create new wallet from hardware. Click on this. That's my name, Michael. We'll just put Mike, or just put demo Trezor T number 2. And then we're going to create a new wallet from device. Choose your hardware device, and you're going to select Trezor Model T, and then select create wallet. And now it's going to create a wallet with your Trezor Model T, and it's going to ask you on the device, do you really want to create a wallet and allow the Monero GUI to access your device? You're going to say yes. And now it's going to ask you to create a password. Make sure it's a very secure one, something that's not easily hackable. I like to use a personal favorite that is very, very long. And once that's done, just hit next. If you want, make sure you write down your password, that way you don't forget it. And now you're all set up. So now you have a wallet that you can create. And now it's going to ask you to put in your password that you just created. All right, guys, now we're finished the setup. So this is the main Monero GUI web wallet dashboard. If you get a gray window popping up basically saying waiting for daemon to start, it's basically just revving up the Monero GUI wallet. It's linking to your Trezor device, and it's trying to connect to the Monero network. So at the bottom here, what you'll be seeing is daemon will eventually synchronize, and your wallet blocks will start to fill up. If for some reason this isn't going right away, there's a little refresh button here, and this will allow you to switch nodes. So you would just click this, and then it'll try to find a new node, and then it'll continue to sync your wallet. Okay, so now that we've set up our wallet, we're going to want to receive funds. So I'm going to click on receive, and right here you're going to see your main primary address, which you're going to receive Monero from. You're going to want to copy that. And for this demo, we have the Exodus wallet set up. So I'm just going to have this up here, and we have 1.06 Monero. So I'm going to choose to send my Monero to the address which I just copied here. I'm going to hit paste, and I'm going to select all. There we go. And then I'm going to hit send. And it's going to say, would you really like to send this? I'm going to say, yep, that's my wallet. I can see it right here. They match up. I'm going to hit send. And that's fine. Okay, and as you can see, I've switched my windows around here just a little bit for you guys, but as you can see, we've now received our Monero on our Monero GUI wallet, which is linked to our Trezor Model T. So now if we want, we can just disconnect our Trezor, put it in, whatever safe space we have it in, and our Monero is safe and it's stored offline. For the sake of this demo though, I'm going to send this Monero back to Exodus just to show you how the send function works. So as you can see, I'm now on the send page. I'm going to go to Exodus, hit receive, copy my wallet address, put it in the address window, and select 1.05. Okay, it's now available, so I'm going to hit send, and that'll create the transaction. And at this point, you're going to need to pick up your Trezor device, and it's going to ask you if you would like to send your 1.05 XMR, and you're going to hit the little fingerprint pointing button, and then it's going to show you the address, and you're going to select the check mark, and then it's going to ask you to hold to confirm, and you're going to select hold to confirm, and now it's officially signing the transaction. This process takes a little bit longer than you're normally used to, as it's a different kind of blockchain, I would say. I think it's more secure, which is why it takes longer to process the outputs. So just give it about 10 to 15 seconds. As you can see here, it's confirm the transaction, select OK, put your password in, and it's gone. Just select OK, and now you can see the remaining balance is here. If I switch back to my Exodus, you can see that the money has now returned. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. We covered all the bases this time around on the sending and the receiving. If you check this transaction page here, you can see all past transactions. Our accounts tab here will show your main account that you have. If you want to make a secondary or third account, all you need to do is just create a new account and you can split up your funds. If you're having any refreshing issues here connecting to the network, once in a while, Monero GUI releases an update for their platform. Sometimes this makes it funky for past versions. So if for some reason your daemon's not synchronizing, what you're going to want to do is go back to the getmonero.org website and download the most recent version. And that should, basically make sure that there's no issues with syncing. If you guys, once again, have any issues with any of my videos, you can always drop a comment down below and I'll get back to it as soon as humanly possible. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.